Hey, what's up? Welcome back to the channel where we help you turn small ideas into large businesses. Today, I'm revealing 10 hot products that you can buy, flip, and make some serious cash. Whether you're selling online or to your local community, these are high-demand items that are easy to sell and super profitable. This is a game changer for car lovers, the Rubbit Car Wash Kit. It's rinse-free, super easy to use, and leaves cars looking brand new. Car enthusiasts love it, and it's perfect for anyone who wants to keep their car spotless without the hassle of a full wash. Nobody wants their car smelling like last week's fries. That's where the FrescheAir Air Purifier comes in. It eliminates odors and keeps the air fresh, making it a favorite for commuters, road trippers, and even rideshare drivers. This little gadget is a big hit and super easy to promote. Security is priceless, and the BoostedSafe Car Safe delivers just that. It's a cleverly disguised safe that keeps valuables protected while staying hidden in plain sight. Whether it's for travelers, professionals, or just about anyone, this product is always in demand. Dash cams are a must-have for today's drivers. The VIOFO S29 Pro dash cam offers high-quality recording, both front and rear, making it perfect for safety and capturing those unforgettable road trips. This is a tech gadget that people trust and love, making it a solid product to resell. Flat tires are a nightmare, but the Wolfbox MegaFlow tire inflator makes them a thing of the past. Compact, portable, and easy to use, this product is a lifesaver for drivers everywhere. It's the kind of practical item that people can't resist buying once they see it in action. The Joytutus eating tray is every busy commuter's dream. It hooks onto the steering wheel and works as a mini desk or a snack tray. Whether it's for road trips or quick meals between meetings, this handy gadget is a simple yet brilliant solution for people on the go. This one's for all the road warriors with a sense of humor. The Flik middle finger light is both hilarious and functional, letting drivers express themselves without saying a word. It's quirky, fun, and sure to catch the attention of anyone looking for a unique gadget. Winter doesn't stand a chance against the SnoShark snow brush. It's lightweight, extendable, and makes snow removal a breeze. Perfect for SUVs, trucks, and even small cars. This product is a seasonal favorite that customers love to keep in their winter toolkit. Messy wires, say no more. The Carsifi Android adapter allows drivers to connect their phones to Android Auto wirelessly. It's sleek, convenient, and a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their car's tech without breaking the bank. A perfect product for tech enthusiasts. Finally, we have the DURHAND wheel Dolly. This heavy-duty tool makes moving disabled cars effortless, making it an essential for garages, mechanics, and even DIY car enthusiasts. It's practical, durable, and built to last everything your customers want in a professional-grade product.